Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that let's here in the search pool enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why I just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner. Now we can see here the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 29 and 8, that's 30. Now that's changed, so this 30 degrees. So that's it. Here we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our device and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.